Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, now we shall study our lecture number 7 of chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is about plasmas as fluids. Our topic is the complete set of fluid equations. In this lecture, we shall study the complete set of fluid equations. We know the definition of plasma. A plasma is a quasi-neutral gas. A plasma is a quasi-neutral gas of charged and neutral particles which exhibit collective behavior. We in plasma we said that plasma consists of ions, electrons as well as neutral particles. But for simplicity, we just consider we just consider plasma have only two species like electrons and ions. The charge and current densities are then given by, here sigma is charge density is equal to NiQi. N is the number density for ions and Q is the charge on ions. NiQi total number density of ions plus NeQe. Ne is the number density of electrons and QE is the charge on electrons. So we total charge density of electrons and ions becomes NiQi plus NeQe. This is our equation number 1. The sigma denotes what is the charge density, is the charge density for ions as well as electrons, and J is the current density. J is the current density is equal to NiQiVi. NiQiVi plus NeQeVe. This is the current density for electrons and ions. This is our equation number 2. Since single particle motions will no longer be considered, we may now use V instead of U. Okay, for the fluid velocity we shall neglect collisions and viscosity. These are our assumptions. We shall not take collisions among the electrons and ions. We shall not consider any kind of viscosity, and also we shall take V instead of U. These are the assumptions that we shall take for the plasma. Vacuum equation 1. We know Maxwell equations, and Maxwell equation for vacuum, and equation number 1 becomes epsilon naught del dot E is equal to NiQi plus NeQe, because we know that first Maxwell equation is epsilon naught del dot E equal to sigma. We have already studied first Maxwell equation for vacuum, and that was first Maxwell equation was del dot E was equal to sigma, equal to charge density, and here we put the value from equation number 1, that is NiQi plus NeQe. So this is equation number 3. From vacuum equation 2, 3 and 4 we have del cross E is equal to minus B dot, del dot B is equal to 0, and del cross B is equal to mu naught into J plus epsilon naught E dot. E dot here you know is partial E by partial T, and B dot here you know is partial B by partial T, and these are the Maxwell equation. This is fourth Maxwell equation, you know, and here we put the values of j, we get del cross B is equal to mu naught into from equation number 2, put the value of j here, NiQi this is current density, plus for ions, and plus NeQeVe current density for the electrons, plus epsilon naught E dot. Now this mu, if we take it on the left side, this becomes del cross B divided by mu naught, or mu naught prime, mu naught inverse del cross B is equal to NiQiVi plus NeQeVe plus epsilon naught E dot. This is our equation number 6. Now we have already studied the stress tensor fluid equation, and that is given by Mn. M is the mass, okay, and N is the number density. In general, we can write Mj Nj into partial Vj by partial T plus V dot del into Vj is equal to Qj Nj. Again, Q is the charge and N is the number density. We multiply both sides by Nj, okay, into E plus Vj cross B minus, here is the del P, this is pressure gradient, del P, this is our equation number 7. Also consider equation of continuity, partial n by partial t plus del dot n V is equal to 0. This is famous continuity equation for the plasma, equation number 8. And now thermodynamic equations of state relating P to J. Yeah, this is what we know. P is equal to Cn Cj Nj power gamma. We know adiabatic law, P is equal to PV power gamma is equal to constant. PV power gamma is equal to constant. Okay, this is what we have already studied. From here, P is equal to C is the constant, N is the number density, mean number of molecules per unit volume, and gamma is the ratio of the molar specific heat at constant pressure to molar specific heat at constant volume. Okay, P is equal to C n power gamma, where P is the pressure, C is constant, N is the number of particles, the number of molecules per unit volume, and gamma is the ratio of molar specific heat at constant pressure to molar specific heat at constant volume. This is our equation number 9. There are 16 scalars unknowns: Ni, Ne, Pi, Pe, Vi, Ve, E and B. There are apparently 18 scalar equations if we count each vector equation as 3 scalar equations, because we can split a vector into its components, and we may take 3 equation of one vector. 3 scalar equation means 3 components of one vector. The simultaneous solution of this set of 16 equations is 16 unknowns, gives a self-consistent set of fields and motions in the fluid approximation. That's all from here. Allah Hafiz.